I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll prove a trigonometric identity, and we'll also derive an expression which will be used in proving this identity. The question here is, prove 1 over cosecant x plus cotangent x equals to cosecant x minus cotangent x. Now let us see how they are related. Some students don't really remember it. It's been a long time since they did it, right? So what we'll do is we'll just derive it. So let us say this is our right triangle, and that's the angle x for us, and we have sides AB, and let us say call this as R as our hypotenuse. Now in a right triangle, you know a square plus b square equals to r square. We are looking for a relation between cosecant and cotangent. So cotangent is ratio of these two sides, right? So it is a over b, right? So if we divide by b square all these three terms, what do we get? So a over b, as I said, is cotangent, so that is cotangent square x plus 1, and r over b is cosecant, so it is cosecant square x. So that is the relation between cotangent and cosecant. We can actually rearrange this and write what 1 is. So 1 is equals to cosecant square x minus cotangent square x. Now this is a very standard formula. It's called Pythagorean identity, which you can always use, right? So you don't really have to derive it. Now let's begin solving our identity. See how simple it is. So let's begin from the left side, which is 1 over, so let me rewrite first, 1 over cosecant x plus cotangent x. I'll replace this 1 by cosecant square x minus cotangent square. So we can write this as equals to cosecant square x minus cotangent square x divided by cosecant x plus cotangent x, correct? Now it is difference of squares, so we can factor this, right? So difference of square, you remember, you could write this as cosecant x plus cotangent x times, so product of sum and difference, correct? So cosecant x minus cotangent x. You may have to review some of your factoring skills to prove identities at times, so that is kind of important, right? Plus cotangent x. Now from here you can cancel out the common factors. So these are the common factors which cancel out, and what you get is what you need, which is cosecant x minus cotangent x, and that is your right side. So now we have proven that left side is equals to the right side, and that's the way to prove any trigonometric identity. I hope you follow these steps, and that is how these should be done, right? So kind of remember your Pythagorean identities and then begin with trigonometric identities. I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.